Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beef zinger burger using an easy method. We'll walk through preparing the beef patty, creating that signature crispy zinger coating, and finally, assembling your mouth-watering burger. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy a restaurant-quality burger right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this flavorful and satisfying meal. First, let's prepare our beef patties. Start with approximately 500 grams of good quality ground beef. Season it generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for a rich flavor. Mix gently to combine, then divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Form these into thin, round patties, aiming for about 1/2 inch thickness, ensuring even cooking and a perfect burger shape. Now for the signature zinger crunch. First, make a wet batter with 1/3 cup flour, 1/3 cup cornstarch, 1 beaten egg, and your favorite spices. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup flour and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder for the dry mix. Dip each beef patty into the wet batter, then thoroughly coat it in the dry mixture, pressing firmly to create those crispy flakes. Deep fry the coated patties in oil heated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes, flipping once until golden brown and cooked through. Finally, let's assemble your delicious beef zinger burger. Lightly toast your burger buns for a warm and sturdy foundation. Spread a generous amount of your preferred burger sauce or mayonnaise on both the top and bottom bun halves. Place a fresh lettuce leaf on the bottom bun, followed by your perfectly crispy beef zinger patty. Add a slice of cheddar cheese, then top with another lettuce leaf and the top bun. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.